Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create an email address for a subdomain on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. Now, if you're like me, you already added a subdomain to your Hostinger websites list. It's simple. You can skip to the emails step. If you don't have a subdomain added here, simply click on Add Website, click on Custom PHP HTML website. Here, fill in a subdomain using your domain name, for example, refund, or for example, mail.benstutorial.com. Do you own this domain? Yes, use it. Click on Next and wait a moment. Now that my subdomain is added successfully to my Hostinger account, go back to the home page or the websites list to make sure that your subdomain is successfully added. Now go to emails. Next, to claim your free email, click on Claim Free Email button. Here, select your subdomain from this list. This is the subdomain I've just added. Click on Confirm. Select your email plan. I will go with free plan. Click on Start Free Trial. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Now, directly you will be forwarded to this set up your mailbox page. Here, let's go, for example, let's create a contact email, and it will be contact@mail.benstutorial.com, or contact your email address, your email name at your subdomain.com. Let's create a password. Click on create, close this. New mailbox created successfully. Let's give it a visit. Go back to mailboxes, and this is how to create an email address for a subdomain in Hostinger. Let's test this email address that work fine. Click on webmail, and as you see, this is my Hostinger email address that uses my subdomain.